I miss you. I hope you all had a wonderful week off. Our theme this week is water, and water is so fun. I have a couple books that I'm going to read to you for this week. And the first one is It's Raining, It's Pouring. It's a lot of rain. We haven't had too much lately. Let's see. It says, it's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Oh no, look at all that water. He bumped his head and he went to bed, and he couldn't get up in the morning. He's floating down the river. Let's see what happens next. It's cloudy, it's breezy, the old man is sneezy. Achoo! He blew so hard that he moved the stars, but of course that wasn't easy. He used a tissue. It's snowing, it's blowing, the old man is growing. Uh-oh, what's gonna happen? He ate so much one day for lunch that every part of him was showing. Look at his belly. He was eating. He ate too much. Let's see. It's warm out and sunny. The old man loves honey. Oh, I see bees. Bzzz. He tried to seize a batch from the bees, and they didn't find it funny. Uh-oh, here come the bees. We gotta tell them, run, 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 run. Run, run, run. Let's see. It's cool, damp, and chilly. The old man's name is Willie. Aw, he's got his cat. He says, meow. He tripped and fell in a big old well. Oh my gosh! Did he look silly? Oh no, he's going down, 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 down. It's gusty, it's windy. The old man's wife is Cindy. Oh, they're gonna have lunch. They're gonna eat. With ants in their pants, they started to dance and ended up doing the Lindy. They're dancing. They got ants in their pants. How silly. They say dance, 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 dance. Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny breeze, and if he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasing. Oh, gotta tell him night-night. Shh. Night-night, man. The end. I see the cat. I see the cat, and I see fish. Hi, fish. The end. All right, I have one more book for you. I'll post that one next. I miss you guys all. Mwah.